So I'm about to show y'all how to ship, send, and get to this bag off this merch, man. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and what they say, it don't cost you no paper unless you're a motherfucking hater. Let's go. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by Bro God. Most people know me as Brody. And as you can see, we here to have some motherfucking fun and create shit, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Look what we just got. As y'all know, I got a brand. It's called CTM, which stands for Committed to Me. And we just got some new merch, man. We just got some merch. You know what I'm saying? We just got some merch. And we also got a couple of sales to take care of today. So, these is our signature CTM shirts, which I'm excited for. This is our first time using a manufacturer in North Carolina to get these t-shirts printed and made, so we're gonna see how it goes. We also got some motherfucking socks. These came from overseas, man. You know what I'm saying? I got them on right now, so, you know, they feel real good. You know, man, they feel real good. They better than Nike, I tell you that. Better than Nike, nigga. You feel me? And you know, we got different colors in that too. So, we just trying to do something different, man. We just trying to do something different. Everybody got feet, so everybody needs socks, right? That's right. And as you can see, we gonna just try to show y'all how it is in a day in the life of a brand owner, what you gotta do, all the things that you might need in case you wanna start your own brand. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna just show y'all how this CTM shirt fit, just in case you ever wanna support a black-owned business real quick. So yeah, this is the signature black CTM shirt, 100% cotton. It feels good. I wish I could feel this. So I'm about to show y'all how to ship, send, and get to this bag off this merch, man. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and what they say, it don't cost you no paper unless you're a motherfucking hater. Let's go. So before we weigh it out, I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and create our label printer. Our label sheet. So what we gotta do, we got here is, what is this? This is a thermal printer. So this is a cheap little printer, you know what I'm saying, that you can use to print out all your labels for your merchandise. You know what I'm saying? What you gotta do is just slide that right in there, even that up, and then she ready to go. Alright, y'all, so these is basic essentials that you will possibly need to ship out your own stuff from your own place. You know what I'm saying? Obviously the products is on hand. I'm not drop shipping the products, and I'm not doing pre-sales on the products. So the products is in hand, so all these things is needed to go ahead and process the shipping. The website, obviously, you see this where the order comes through. We can't show too much information, we gotta block that. But yeah, they just ordered a black shirt and white socks. So this is what we're gonna be sending out today. That's what we're sending out today, which is beautiful, you know what I'm saying? You know, we got a couple of things to send it out, and this is our little sending things right now for the time being. I wanna get some more things right now, but for the time being, you either an angel or you a demon. You dig what I'm saying? My boy is an angel right now. All right, so first things first, gotta weigh it out. Let's get to it. All right, so once you turn on your printer, your thermal printer, you wanna press this button right here. It should run through just to make sure it's even so that it's not printing on multiple sides.
One hour later.
You're almost ready. A lot of trial and error. So, you know, in later videos, I'll show y'all how these went to this. All right. So now we finna go drop her off at the post office. We about to hit the road, y'all. Purchase ready. CTM down. Shoot vibes. Shoot vibes. Alright, keys in the pocket. Hit the road. Can't show y'all too much. Show y'all too much. But yeah, man. I'm new to this, as y'all can see. We still learning, but we working. You feel me? We working. We working. I gotta get that what's name up out of here too. Take that mic out. Damn, I thought I unlocked the door. I thought I unlocked the door. Please, thank you. Back on the road again. Back on the road again. Damn, it's hot. Whoa. On the road, y'all. All right, guys, we just got here. Let's go drop this shit off. Oh, that's okay. That's all right. She gonna look some bit thinner. So I had to come to the USPS. See what's going on. See what's going on. I should just get to drop it off. I ain't drop off when dude.
Anybody picking up, dropping off that don't need to pay for postage?
No.
Oh, you didn't drop them off?
Yes. Should be good, right?
All right.
Thank you. And just like that, yeah, we out. Another day on the job. And we gonna get up out of here.